Okay, so you have a nasty mark on your artwork and you go to your eraser and you can't erase it. Now let me show you why this is happening. You probably have all these layers and you don't actually know where the mark is coming from. I can clearly see it here on layer 2, but you might not be so lucky. The mark might be really small. So let me show you how you can find that layer. Each layer has a little checkbox, and I can start turning on and off the layers and just try and see which layer. Oh, there we go. I know that it's on this layer because when I turn it on and off, it responds. So I'm going to go to this layer and there we go. Now I can erase it. Okay, but while I have you here, let's just talk about how we can prevent those marks from happening. So you can see my finger does not draw on my iPad. That's where those little marks are coming from. So if you have an Apple Pencil, you can do this. If you have a different kind of stylus from like Amazon with the lights, I don't recommend doing this. But let's turn off your finger's ability to draw. So we're gonna go to the wrench and go to Prefs, and we're looking for gesture controls. So we're gonna go there, and then in general, we're gonna turn off this one, enable painting with finger. And now your fingers can't draw and you won't leave those nasty marks.